Hello, in this video we are going to continue with the Kubernetes demo from HyperCloud examples repository. We are going to be deploying some things on top of the Kubernetes cluster that we deployed in the previous video, and we can see that it's still running here on HyperCloud. If we go to the IP, we can see that we still get the 404. And additionally, if we go to the domain that we are planning to use for this demo, we can see that we also get a 404. We are going to be doing the Haste server example with S3 integration. And we can see that here that says that the main thing that we are going to be deploying is the Haste server YAML file located in the Kubernetes folder. We can have a look at it. And this file contains multiple Kubernetes objects. It contains a deployment object is actually the container, the Haste server container, which is kind of a pastebin service. It has some environment variables to configure the S3 storage backend. And also it has an init container that will ensure that the S3 bucket is created. We also have a service to expose the deployment, and we have a couple of ingress rules. The first one is to redirect the HTTP traffic to HTTPS. And then the second one is the HTTPS configuration with some annotations for Cert Manager to use, and so that Cert Manager issues some SSL certificates for us. And also it has the domain name that we are going to use around. As you have noticed, we are using templates here. These templates are going to be, these placeholders are going to be populated with some variables that we are going to show you around now. These variables are in this file, the Ansible inventory group bars folder. And we are going to modify this. We are going to keep this configuration because it's correct for the S3 backend. We are going to modify the domain name. These domain names should be pointing to the IP address of the cluster. And also you can put here your email address. This email address is going to be used by Let's Encrypt to register your domain, and you will get notified on this email address about issues with your SSL certificate expiring and things like that. Okay, so once we have that, we can already run the playbook that is going to help us with the automation of copying these Kubernetes files, installing the dependencies, and then applying the Kubernetes files. So in the meantime, we can have a look at this playbook to show you a bit what it is. So if we go to the top, we can see that it's installing a couple of Python libraries that is going to be used by Ansible to run some later tasks. Also is installing the JetStack Helm repository, because we are going to install from there, we are going to install Cert Manager. Cert Manager is the set of services that are going to help us generate the SSL certificates. And then we are going to template the files, the Kubernetes files that I've shown you before, and then it's going to deploy them one by one. So the Helm chart is already being installed. And now the Kubernetes files are being templated and copied to the server. And now they are being deployed. We can quickly try to reload this website. Also, we can have a look at the server to see if things are going okay. We can see that the certificate that we needed has been issued a few seconds ago. So probably this is now working, and we can confirm that it's working. And just to have a quick look, now we have here Cert Manager running. And also we have the couple of pods, the couple of replicas for the Haste server deployment. And yeah, that's all. Everything is running, and we can confirm that this is actually working. And yeah, this is all. Thank you for watching.